Hello all dear students, this is Akshay from Naresh IT and today we are going to discuss about importance of English communication in IT industries, that means in corporate world. My dear student, here you gather from all different states. We India is a very cultural India. Why I'm saying this? Because we are having different states, and from different states we people are like having a different language. Maharashtrian people are having Marathi language, Bengali people are having Bengali language, South Indian people consist like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, again Kerala, again if I'm not wrong, Telangana. So this is what the languages are going spoken in different part in different region from all over India. But what is the common language which is really very helpful for all of us for surviving in IT industries? That common language is English. Now I am explaining you what is importance of English. My dear student, just take an example. I am representing the short format of each and every language, starting with Marathi. Suppose if in Marathi, if we want to say something like Kasa आहेस तू, how are you? We are asking Kasa आहेस तू. And in Telugu, we used to ask Yella unnaru, how are you? And in different like Hindi, आप कैसे हो? We used to say. In Kannada people talk in different way. Like Ninne hesaru nenti, they used to ask what is your name. Again, Telugu people are talking in different sense. Like Nee parenti, what is your name? So in this way, what is happening? Different languages there. Again, I would like to present one example. Tamil. In Tamilian, people used to say Rumba nalla ireke, superb. In Bengali, people are saying like amake pizza khete bhalo bhashi, ami tomake misa kari, amake doya dite. In this way, people are using different kind of languages. But my dear student, this kind of languages, whosoever the language you are using, I'm not saying that is wrong, but I'm saying it should not be used in IT services. Why? Because in IT services, people are coming from different regions. People are talking in English. Why? Because they don't know other languages. Telugu guy don't know Hindi, Telugu guy don't know Marathi, Telugu guy knows English and Telugu language. Kannada people don't know Hindi, Kannada people know their Kannada language, but they are using English in IT industries. Marathi guys knows Marathi, but they don't know any other languages. It's happened with every kind of person. If it happens, why? Because they can't interpret other language. Basically, what my point is that English is really important. Why? Because if you people are fresher and you are preparing for a job, you must have to keep in mind 80% concentration would be there on your communication skills, how you are communicating. And for that reason, group discussion is one of the very important round for checking your group discussion quality. That means way of your communication, whether you are having good kind of communication or not. My dear students, my main motto of this video is like we have to improve English language. Why we have to improve our English language? Why? Because engineering is what? Engineering is a stream of technology. We are developing technology, and in that technology, communication is important. Even if you people are having an idea, while studying engineering, we required a group study. We used to ask few concepts to our one friend, few concept to another friend, few concept to another friend, and we used to merge that concept and we used to understand some more good concept. So in this way, what we required? A group study. Mean to say, we require teamwork, and for that teamwork it is really important to communicate our thoughts, process, view, ideas, imagination, concept, and whatever it may be in English language. And for that reason, English is really important. Dear student, I am repeating one thing again: English is important. Now let us see why. Right now, I'm speaking one sentence. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. If you don't understand and say understand, then how do I understand that you understand? Can you able to say this kind of sentence? Maybe few people can able to say this sentence, but no one, like everyone can't say. Why? What is the reason? Because since from childhood we are having an habit to speak in our language. But instead of that, if I'm talking any tongue twister in your language, for example, Hindi. खड़क सिंह से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह, चंदू के चाचन, so many are there. My dear student, my motto is that please speak in English. It's really important for all of you. Do software studies in English only. Ask doubts, ask everything in English only. Speak English, be professional. It suits your professional life. It suits your professional life very good. It will be very good if you will be speaking in English. This is my main motto of this video. So I hope you understood. If you want to become a more professional, try to talk in English. Improve your English language. Thank you for watching this video under Naresh IT.